You can save lots of extra space in Windows 10 by using the Storage Sense feature. So here's how you turn this on. To do this, all you have to do is click the bottom left corner of the screen and then type storage. And after doing that, you're going to type on the storage system settings. Okay. So now you should see the amount of space that you've used so far. So as you can see, in my case, I've used 80.8 gigabytes of space. So now go right here under where it says Storage Sense and then toggle this on. And then from there, after doing that, Windows 10 will automatically clear away files that you don't need to save extra storage space for you. Now, if you want to clean these files right now, all you have to do is click right here where it says change how we free up space. And then you can toggle these on and then you can click clean now. And then Windows 10 will clear these files for you. Okay, so as you can see here, it says they've cleaned up 1.02 gigabytes of disk space. If you are someone who's running low on storage, then this probably means a lot to you. So if I go back, and as you can see, it's much lower. I now have 79.8 gigabytes of used space. So pretty interesting. So that's it. This is how you turn on the Storage Sense feature on Windows 10. For more videos like this, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.